Today we're going to be talking about the cryptocurrency HBAR and why it could be going higher soon. Let's get into the video. Hi everyone, my name is Zach and welcome back to Finance Bro. Before we get into the video, I'd like to ask you guys to please comment how many HBAR you have and how much you want to have, and consider leaving a like and subscribe as it really helps with the growth of the channel. And I know this is a crypto video, but if you guys want to see our public stock portfolio, you want up to $70 worth of a free stock when you just deposit $1 on a platform, go ahead and get signed up with Public, the social investing app, with the first link in our description. This is actually what Public does look like. You can see here that you can see our portfolio, you can see our long-term portfolio, and there's more. Obviously you got to follow us on there if you want to see that. And then we also just post basically when we buy stuff. We just bought DraftKings because Arizona will be able to have a DraftKings sportsbook September 9th. Obviously DraftKings did do pretty well after this, so go ahead and follow us on here if you guys want to get some value, definitely in the stock market as well. But anyways, let's get straight into our cryptocurrency for today, HBAR. So the most important thing about cryptocurrency is actually the social activity around cryptocurrency. Now the way that we can check this is in multiple ways. I personally love to check StockTwits for what's trending, and then I like to check Lunar Crush for what's trending. We're not sponsored by either of these websites, however I do use them in the day-to-day. We are sponsored, however, by Public with the first link in the description. Go ahead and get up to $70 worth of free stock. But anyways, we can see here that HBAR or Hedera Hashgraph is up to trending #1 on StockTwits right now, and that is huge. This is also including stocks as well. So when something is trending, you know it's the top trending crypto and or stock. Not only that, but if we check Lunar Crush, you can see that they're the third coin on Lunar Crush to be trending, or the third trending coin on Lunar Crush. You can see here that it actually has like a price graph as well as a social volume graph. So the blue line is actually the social volume. So whenever there's a lot of social volume, you can pretty much expect it to go up. It's kind of like stock charts, but not really. Recently, in the past, couple hours, the social investing was very high, yet the price wasn't going up very much. So we could possibly expect this to be going up even more today. Something I also like to see is that all of these social metrics are green. So the social volume in the last 24 hours is up 100%, social dominance up 230%, bullish sentiment up 100%. So this is just a very bullish sign for me in general. So social investing around HBAR is extremely good right now. Okay, but enough of the social investing. Let's get into what HBAR actually is. Let's just go over what it is. So you can see here that this is their website. It's called Hedera.com. They say, hello future, ensuring decentralized governance at scale. You can go over the video if you want. This isn't homework. I'm here to tell you basically what it is. And it's basically just a fast payment transaction thing that is also carbon neutral for you guys that really care about the environment out there, and then also kind of a platform where you can basically make a digital footprint. So let's go over this. We can see that the world's most sustainable public network. Learn more about how Hedera's low energy footprint and commitment to being carbon negative. So Hedera is owned and governed by the world's leading organizations. You can see here that they're owned and governed by Boeing, Google, all these other different people. Join a future built on trust. Hedera is used enterprise-grade public network for you to make your digital world exactly as it should be, yours. HBAR is the native energy-efficient cryptocurrency of Hedera that powers the decentralized economy. Whether you're a startup or enterprise, a creator or consumer, Hedera goes beyond blockchain for developers to create the next era of fast, fair, and secure applications. So this is really what you're going to want to be looking at for Hedera. This is why Hedera is going to be huge in the future. You can see here that they are the third generation public ledger. So first generation, obviously Bitcoin, second generation Ethereum, third generation HBAR. In terms of transaction per second, it used to be 3 transactions per second for Bitcoin, 12 transactions per second for Ethereum. It's now 10,000 for HBAR. Average fee, $22 for Bitcoin, $19 for Ethereum. less than a cent for HBAR. Transaction confirmation usually takes between 10 and 60 minutes, and when I used to have to bet on Bovada, I used to have to wait 10 to 60 minutes to actually get my Bitcoin into my account. 10 to 20 seconds for Ethereum, so a lot better there, but it's only 3 to 5 seconds with finality for Hedera. Energy used per second, which is honestly the big reason why a lot of people are liking Hedera right now, is that it's 885 kilowatts per hour for Bitcoin, 102 for Ethereum, and then less than 0.0001. Basically, they are trying to be carbon negative, which is extremely good for all of you people that love the environment. I mean, I'm not saying I don't. I mean, this video is for you, not me. Hedera Network Services. They also have a token service where you can create your own token. A lot of people obviously love to do that at this point in the crypto game. And then they also have consensus service where you can build directly on Hashgraph. Not only that, but they have a ton more stuff that you guys can check out, but that's pretty much all of the everything you really need to know. Obviously, they're going to have these buzzwords in here: fair, fast, secure, stable. But I mean, what's really cool is that what this guy likes to say is, what if anyone at Earth at any moment could just wave their hand and carve out a world in their own cyberspace? So they're really trying to take this to the next level. We can check out use cases too. There's payments, tokenized assets, identity, fraud mitigation. There's just so much here with Hedera that is extremely good, and it puts them in the upper echelon of the Solanas of the world, of the Ethereums of the world, of the Cardanos of the world. And now that we can move on to CoinMarketCap, you can see that they are actually nowhere near like Solana or Cardano, Ethereum, when they are the 46th cryptocurrency by market cap, only having about a $3 billion market cap. So this has probably the most upside compared to, say, a Solana, say a Cardano, say an Ethereum. We can see here that Hedera is only on about a 200,000 watch list, which is pretty low compared to some of its people it's competing with, when it's honestly better than say Ethereum or Solana. I mean, I like Solana right now, but HBAR just presents more upside at the moment. In terms of market cap, they are a $3 billion market cap, but they only have about 90% of circulating supply. It's a little bit of a problem, but if we check here the volume is 740 million. If we check historical data, you can see that the volume before a couple days ago was pretty much sitting at $200 million per day, but in the past like 3 to 4 days, it's been going up to 600 million to 700 million, and obviously sitting at 700 million today, up 70% from the prior day. So overall, the price action has just been extremely good over the last day, as well as the last 7 days. It took a bit of a fall kind of during the week. You can expect this just because it's more stocks focused during the week for most people, while on the weekend you can pretty much expect most cryptocurrencies to do better, just because you can't buy stocks, so a lot of people want to go and buy cryptocurrency. But yeah, overall, over the last 7 days, we're looking extremely good. If we take a look, they're just at pretty unprecedented levels right now. We do have a major resistance here at 40 cents. They tried to test 40 cents about 3 times, as you can see, and we're now approaching it once again. Obviously back in April's when they tried to test 40 cents over and over, and I think we really can, if we can break above this 40 cent, we could be seeing unprecedented levels, kind of how we saw it with Cardano, how we saw it with Algo. Let's just see if it goes above 40 cents. We could be really seeing some really cool price action, kind of like with Solana and every other cryptocurrency at the moment. This could be the next runner in cryptocurrency. But yeah, that is pretty much going to be it for today. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you guys did enjoy the video, go ahead and leave a like and subscribe. If you found any value from this video, please comment, as all of those things help to grow the channel. We're really trying to get out there and be one of the biggest channels in the finance world. Thank you guys so much for watching. My name is Zach, and I hope to see you in the next video.